Welcome back to AskNikki. So today's topic is how to teach kids to make sound L. So first understand how to make it. Your tongue is here and you need to touch the back side of the teeth. L. 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 It's just like you're touching the behind the teeth. L. 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 You can use a whiteboard to work with the kids and then we can do it together. La. La. So you can see, you can give the pressure together in this way. La. La. More techniques. You can use some blocks to show them and make it together so the kid will recognize and sound and articulate together. La. 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 You're touching the tip of the tongue to the teeth. La. Lizard. Lizard. Lion. Lion. Or the easiest words which you can use, it's like llama. Llama. Or use lily. 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 To start with, try to like make some easy sounds. La. 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 Or just try to make it to understand how to make it and then ask them to keep it up for 30 seconds at least. And you just watch on the timer. Or else you can make like li, la, li, lu, la, li, lu. Hope it helps you and you can easily teach your kid. Thank you very much.